Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $55,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, Bose sound system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, chrome mirror caps. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.